In a previous demo, I demonstrated putting data from an Arduino onto a Raspberry or into a Raspberry Pi database. And here I added a little extra. So now I have my Arduino connected to a soil moisture sensor. And I've been running this all night, collecting moisture readings every minute. So I just wanted to show you kind of like what that looks like on my database. So here's the Arduino sketch. Pretty simple. It's kind of the same as the sketch I showed in the other one, except now it's still sending over two arbitrary values, but now the moisture sensor is something, or the moisture reading is something meaningful that I can analyze in my database. So right here you can see my database. First reading was around 12:50 last night, and it continues every minute. So if I start to scroll down here, you can see all these readings, and that one random zero reading is I pulled the moisture sensor out of the soil for a little bit, so that wasn't actually a bad reading. But here you can see it slowly increased all night, and I watched another video of somebody using the soil moisture sensor and taking data, and they said this is what happened on theirs at first, but then I checked it again around this morning when I woke up, and it's starting to go back down, so I think it might be stabilizing now. So that's the whole database. You see it collected every minute. It's got timestamps, and then I have my moisture readings, and then the arbitrary values for the other pieces that I'll eventually hook up to sensors. So that's another little example of my data collection that I'll eventually be using this data to output graphs onto my website that I'll be able to view from anywhere. So that's what this will be used for.